Hello. In this video, we are going to see why string is most important data structure in Redis. So we have total 5 data structures in Redis. They are strings, sets, lists, hashes, and sorted sets. Out of these, string is one of the most important data structures in Redis because what happens is all of these data structures they internally use string only. Suppose in case of list, so list is a set of unordered strings. Then comes the hashes. Hashes are key value pair of strings. Then you have sets. Sets are also unordered collection of strings. So let's try to understand string. So string is a kind of in Redis it is treated as binary safe. What do you mean by binary safe? Binary safe means function will treat only its binary values and it will ignore all the textual aspect of the parameter or input you will be giving to it. So it only treats the value whatever is given. So it can store integer, string, images, files, anything you will give, it can store because it treats everything as a binary. It will not be treated things differently. Like if you are it's an image, then in HTTP1 things will be different, input type and all those things. But here everything is just a binary. Now comes the point is as string maximum as in a string you can store 512 MB, can be image, string or value anything. In Redis these strings are also called simple dynamic string. Why these are called simple dynamic string? As we all know that Redis is written in C. So in C these strings are implemented as char array with two parameters. One is length, another is free. Length gives how much of out of total 512 MB is occupied and free gives how much is free. So this can be dynamically allocated as you will keep filling the data. The full length value and free value will keep changing. Now comes the next is this is kind of SDS header file. You can get the code also as Redis is a open source, so you can get information there. So here if you see it has two parameters, one is length, another is free, and the value is stored in a char array which can store any binary value whatever you will give. So now we have understood that string is a kind of data structure which can store anything you give. The same string is being used as part of all the data structures in Redis. So this is it for the strings in Redis.